Hey guys, we're back again. Chris Cuts Hair UK with another review. This time it is the TPOB Pink Candy Mini Skull. Let's get into it. First things first with these, as always, great packaging. Get your slime drips as it opens, very cool. Alright, let's have a look. Do you know what? I know they're mini skulls and it's in the name, but they're smaller than I thought they were going to be. Single foil, hypoallergenic. I don't know if that picks up on the camera. But that tab's cool, multicolored, reflective tab. Let's give them a sound test. Do you know what? They feel powerful. I'm impressed with that. Put it to the side, see what else we get in the box. As always, charging cable, little brush, manual that no one ever reads. Let's get them charged up, see how they do.
Doesn't say anything either.
Alright, just my final thoughts on the TPOB Mini Skull foil shaver. I really like them. I say that about a lot of clippers, but I do really like them. They're so handy for doing under the neck, and if you're just doing tiny little taper fades, they pack so much power for the size of them. I'm thoroughly impressed. Definitely recommend them. You can get them for about 45 quid. All you American guys watching, you probably get the sales all the bloody time. You're lucky you probably get them for $20 now, you. Cheers.